So today, we're going to be taking a look at Jupiter. We're going to analyze Jupiter, and we're going to try and predict where its price is headed. But before we go any further, it is absolutely essential that we first examine the influence, the considerable influence that Donald Trump is having on the tokens. As you can see, the only tokens that are really pumping right now, the only ones seeing significant gains, are those tokens that are directly connected to Donald Trump. Let me explain this a little further. Donald Trump recently planted his token. He actually launched his token onto the Solana blockchain. So just look at Solana itself. Its price is up by a remarkable 18%. And that's with a market cap that is, just enormous. It's up 38%, which is quite frankly absolutely wild, especially considering it's Saturday right now. There are no institutional traders active. There are no large trading firms that are really active in the market at this moment on a Saturday. It's primarily just the retail investors, people just like you and me who are trading this Trump token. It's already surged by 320%, but honestly, it's done much, much more than that in reality. It's actually achieved a 50x move, which is quite substantial. And as I mentioned, it's operating on the Solana blockchain, hence the 18% increase.